Again, this is Joseph with your Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be setting the gas valve pressure on your heating unit when it comes time to your winter heating startup. Right now the gas pressure on this unit is set to 8.6. With this type of system, which is what's known as an LP system, we want the water column to be 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to make an adjustment here. Now this needs to be done by a professional. We're going to adjust it until we get this down to 6. As you can see, it's going down as I turn the screwdriver there. We're going to set this to 6. And the reason why we're doing this is because we don't want it to overfire, be too hot in the chamber, overheat the heat exchanger, and also for safety reasons. As you can see, we're right at 6, which concludes your Tech Tip Tuesday today.